Englishman here, how are you? I thought I'd take you out into nature. Malta's got some beautiful nature. Water though is very scarce. After the winter time we get very, very dry. Maybe from about March to October we have virtually no rain. So all the families come out to this place. Chadwick Lakes it's called. Beautiful nature, but it only lasts for about 3 months, 2 to 3 months, depending on the rain, of course, because mostly it's called Chadwick Lakes, but it's not lakes. They're different sort of dams built by the British in the 19th century by an engineer called Chadwick. Let me show you a little bit. It comes down from Mtarfa all the way to Mosta. I think then it makes it out to Qliegħa Bay somewhere, I heard. Let me show you a little bit. You can see here beautiful nature. We're right in the middle of nowhere here. There's no buildings or anything. Right in by Mtarfa. The water makes its way down to Mosta now. Here you find all sorts of things, frogs, but their life is really short because give it a 2 months time and all this will be gone. There'll be nothing left. The sun is so hot in Malta. Look how nice these beautiful flowers are. These just last for virtually 2 months, 3 months maybe. And then that tremendous heat comes. Malta we get up to 45 in the summertime. All the trees blossoming. This area, Chadwick Lakes, as I said, by the British, they made it to irrigate the land for the farmers. Mr. Chadwick, who was an engineer, he designed these different dams going down in sections. You can see they block them, hold the water back and then let them down gently, so you don't get a complete rush. If we're lucky we might see some frogs. The weekend it was packed with people. In fact it was so packed it was on the news. They said no cars could get past. You can imagine these roads, cars coming trying to get past. There's a lot of these these blue flowers. They're nice. And these are really all over Malta, these yellow ones. Don't ask me what the names are because I don't know. Obviously this is the grassweed, it's taken over completely here. Beautiful and quiet though. In fact, virtually I saw about 3 or 4 people having a picnic. That's what they do the weekend. Maltese, they come over here, have a picnic, relax with the kids. The trouble is, a beautiful quiet area is turned into a chaos. Let's walk a bit further. You can see with the amount of rain we've been having. I felt sorry for the carnival. Out of 2 weeks out of the year, and they got devastated with that rain, wind. Well, you saw what it was like at Hamroon, just non-stop rain. Let's walk a bit further. I want to thank all you subscribers. Made it, yes, 1,000. All over the place though. I broke the 1,000. It went to 1,100. I was thinking, wow, yeah, I did it. It went back down to 999. Then 106. And now this morning I think it's about 1,020, so not too bad. I give a little bit of a call out. It was a bit of a rush, so I tried to put that video. I hope you like it, that funny video. But it seems like I missed some people out. Sorry about that. But I just took off the list of the subscribers from YouTube, so if you don't share your personal details, you don't come on my list. And even though I know a few people, I didn't have a chance to go through the whole list because there's 1,000 people. It's crazy. Let's walk a bit further down here. The flow is going that way, so I'm sure we'll come to a few other things here. Here you can see the Prickly Pear. Well, they've all gone now actually. This is a cactus. but it comes like a fruit from it. We call it the prickly pear. I'm not sure in English what it's called. That I'll put it underneath, I think. Sometimes I get mixed up with the Maltese and the English. Here's lovely wildflowers, some that just last for a few months. Here, I show you a couple of them. And a sort of cactusy comes out. Okay, a little bit further up is where the water starts getting, because it comes from Mtarfa. There's a place called Mtarfa which is near Rabat. They're the highest points in Malta. So obviously the water comes from there on its way down, goes through Mosta, and it goes, I think they said it goes to Qliegħa, it goes out to the sea obviously. But they try and hold back as much as they can. Let's have a look around, I'll show you. I'll play a little bit of music and we'll just walk around. Very relaxing. Don't fall asleep. Wait till the end of the video. Okay, I'm going to finish here. I'm going back to work. I took the opportunity to come out because it was a beautiful day. Normally Wednesday afternoon I go out, but it was non-stop raining all day Wednesday and stormy. You really can't do anything with that sort of weather. And this came pop up in the news, and I thought, it's been about 20 years since I've been over here. But beautiful. Not so much water coming through, but it seems to have died down a little bit. The time to catch it is when it's been raining, because it floods all the way down here. Keep subscribing to me. I need some help to get out of danger. I know I'm over 1,000, but I heard that YouTube, if your subscribers don't watch the videos, they start cutting you. So anyway, leave it at there. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Englishman in Malta. Bye.